you join me on my third lap with the 911. So I bought this car like half a year ago, and I think like a month ago I started doing Nürburgring Nordschleife laps with the BMW M4, the F82. And I was supposed to take it today again, the M4, but turned out it had a puncture. So it had a nail in the left rear tire. So I decided, why not just take the 911? And I'm really thankful that I did, because I just did 2 sort of reconnaissance laps and I really enjoyed the car. So as I said, like a month ago I did 3 laps with the M4. It's been a while. I'm not having any pretensions here. I'm no Misha that really knows the ring. I'm still like looking, do I have to go left or right, or is this a fast corner or a slow corner? I'm really not that familiar with the ring, but I do enjoy it. I'm only an average driver, so it would be as if you would drive the ring, I guess. But it's really approachable, it's really accessible, which is why the ring is so much fun. It is made for people who are not that experienced, and it has the rules that really benefit that. Okay, we're going for sport mode and for sport suspension mode, and manual for the gearbox. The ring closes at 19:30 on a weekday, and it's now 19:40. Let me just get my card out, like that. Thank you, Thomas. We're just going to have some fun. Is the rear view recording?
Yep.
Okay. It's really hot out today. It's 27 degrees still. I think we're the last car to go, because they have 2 sort of safety cars going. That always surprises me, how big of a compression that actually is. So Misha, if you're watching, give me some pointers. This is my 9th lap overall of the Nordschleife. And I know it, I think, for like 50%, something like that. So this first section I'm quite familiar. What the fuck is all that noise? Guys, I really enjoy this section. So fast. Fastest section. Conditions are just perfect today. It's super quiet. So biggest compression right here. expect it to be this big, but that's why you see a lot of Porsches at the ring. There is a reason that you never see any Ferrari, but it's all Porsche. So even this sort of out-of-the-box Carrera S, I think, is quite the capable car to go for here as a newbie. With the NAO coding, so Porsche specific spec. I think it's very capable, really. I love the fact that it came with these tires. And off, and since I'm not that experienced, I went for ESC on, so it might heat up my brake pads, but that's still a lot more, or a lot less expensive than having to repair the car, right? A little insecure how this all flows. Porsche active suspension management. It's in sport right now. This to me is super impressive because with the M4 I was getting thrown around right there, hitting my head against the A-pillar, stuff like that. With this, none of it. Versatile car. Like the fact that you can do this out of the box, it's not complaining about anything. Even with these steel brakes, it's absolutely fine. With me behind the steering wheel, of course. Maybe a more experienced driver would extract more from it, and especially demand more from it. this car and this track so much. Really love it. Okay guys, that was it. My first session with my Porsche 911 on the Nürburgring, and it won't be my last. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.